Today, we're pitting two Michelin giants against each other, the ultra-responsive Michelin Pilot Sport 5 and the all-season champion, the Michelin CrossClimate 2. Let's dive into which tire offers the best performance for your ride. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is the pinnacle of summer performance tires, designed for those who demand the best in wet and dry conditions. Competing for attention is the CrossClimate 2, a tire that bridges the gap between seasons with its all-weather capabilities. In wet conditions, the Pilot Sport 5 demonstrates its superiority, boasting a wet braking distance that's 7.3 meters shorter than the CrossClimate 2. It doesn't stop there. In wet handling and wet circle tests, the Pilot Sport 5 leads, emphasizing its mastery over rainy terrains. An essential aspect of wet performance is aquaplaning resistance. Here, the Pilot Sport 5 maintains its edge with a slightly higher resistance to straight aquaplaning, showcasing its design's efficiency in preventing water from compromising its grip. On dry roads, both tires impress with their capabilities. The Pilot Sport 5, however, edges ahead with its shorter braking distances and faster lap times, highlighting its exceptional dry handling. Yet, the CrossClimate 2 is no slouch, performing admirably close for an all-season tire, especially in dry braking. Snow and ice was not tested, but it's clear the CrossClimate 2 would outshine in colder conditions, thanks to its design geared towards all-season performance, including handling cold and slippery surfaces. Comfort is also key. The CrossClimate 2 proves quieter, reducing noise by 2 dB compared to the Pilot Sport 5. This reduction in noise can make for a more pleasant drive, particularly on long journeys. In terms of efficiency, the CrossClimate 2 shows lower rolling resistance, suggesting better fuel economy and a reduced environmental impact. It's a testament to Michelin's commitment to balancing performance with sustainability. The verdict? If your priority is unmatched performance in summer conditions, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is your tire. For those facing diverse weather conditions and seeking the convenience of not switching tires with the seasons, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 offers a robust solution, blending year-round capability with impressive performance trade-offs. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.